It's Saturday morning. What better thing to do than to start disassembling my spare M104 engine that's currently in my shed? These are the exhaust manifold gaskets. To my shock and horror, they're actually completely destroyed. I would imagine this is just age related. I have a feeling that the head gasket has never been changed in this engine in 310,000 kilometres. If so, that's got to be a world record. I do have service history from just before 100,000 kilometres to practically the rest of its life, and no, that head's never been removed. If it has been, it would have had to have been done very early in its life, and I think that's quite unlikely. Here you can see in particular where these two exhaust manifold gaskets were leaking to the outside world. I did notice in the service history that the previous owner numerous times complained about abnormal noises coming from that side of the engine. No surprises here then. This is just a few minutes of activity with my new impact wrench. Don't worry, I will be showing the proper engine teardown in detail at a later stage. I just wanted to start removing these accessories so it's easier to work on the engine later, and I'll start rebuilding these bits and pieces while they're off as well. This is something that caught me by surprise. I thought it was actually okay until I looked at the back side of it. So this is a failure waiting to happen, and I'm going to have to replace this bearing cover assembly.